Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make your Wix website mobile friendly. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, we are right now in the Wix website editor. In order to get here, just on my sites page, you're gonna find all of your websites. Select the site that you want to edit and then click on select and edit site. Once you click here, you will be here in the dashboard and make sure that you are in the home page. Once you're here in the home page, just go up to the right and click on edit site. Once you click on edit site, you will be directed to a new page. In this page, you will be able to edit or change the design of your website with all the tools that you will have right here. So in order to make it mobile friendly, all you need to do guys is go up to the left and click on switch to mobile. Once you go here to switch to mobile, from here you're gonna see how the site appears in the mobile devices, and you can change anything that you like in the design or the shapes or anything that you see in the site. So as you can see guys, here in the left, you're gonna find add to mobile, menus and pages, background, mobile tools, and hidden on mobile. If you click on add to mobile, right here, you're gonna find all the things that you can add to your mobile website. For example, text, image, a button, decorative, box, social, and lastly, embed code. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.